Hello students, myself Mohit Pandey. In this video, I will explain you intensity of electric field due to electric dipole. At first, I will define you what is electric field intensity. Already I have explained you. In this question, please concentrate here. Define electric dipole moment. What is electric dipole moment? Is it scalar or vector? Write its SI unit and dimensional formula. Derive an expression of electric field intensity at a point on axial line. Please remember it, on axial line of an electric dipole. At first, what is electric dipole? An electric dipole is made up of two charges which are equal in magnitude but opposite in nature. Understand please? Now, axial position. The line passing through two charges of an electric dipole is called axial line. That means एक ऐसी लाइन जो कि क्या हो, इस एक्सिस से होकर के पास हो रही हो, डायपोल एक्सिस. दिस इज डायपोल एक्सिस AB which is made up of two charges plus Q and minus Q, and the line OP is axial line, axial position, that is, and axial line. If a point at which the intensity of electric field is to be determined is taken on the axial line, then this position is called axial position. ये हमें आप लोग याद रखिए कि इस पॉइंट P पर, at point P we have to determine the intensity of electric field, and the point P lies in axial line. That means the point is situated at axial position. Understand please? Please remember it, this diagram, and now concentrate here. Plus Q charge lies at point A and minus Q charge lies point B, and the dipole length, that means plus Q and minus Q charge are separated each other by 2a distance. OB is equal to A and OA is equal to A, small a, and point P lies apart from the distance r from point O. center of the dipole. point जो P है आपका, जहाँ पर हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी फाइंड करनी है, वो सेंटर ऑफ डायपोल से r डिस्टेंस दूर रखा हुआ है. और यहाँ आप लोग देख सकते हैं E1 एंड E2 टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू प्लस Q चार्ज एंड माइनस Q चार्ज. लेट AB be an electric dipole consisting of charges distance apart from consist of charges plus Q and minus Q. These charges are separated by 2a distance apart from each other and are placed in a medium of dielectric constant K. Understand? The intensity of dielectric field at point P due to plus Q charge of dipole B E1. E1 जो आपका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी है वो किसकी वजह से है? प्लस Q चार्ज की वजह से है. Understand? So please, the expression is given by E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into K into Q by AP square, and E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K into Q by R minus A square and R minus A to whole square, taken from AP is equal to OP minus OA. You can see here please, AP is equal to, AP का जो वैल्यू मिलेगा, बिकॉज दिस R जो है यहाँ से सेंटर से हम लोग लेते हैं OP, तो OP में से हमें क्या माइनस करना पड़ेगा? OA को माइनस करेंगे तो हमारा जो वैल्यू टेकन आउट होगा वो हो जाएगा आपका AP का वैल्यू. दैट मीन्स R माइनस A. उस पूरी वैल्यू में से इतना वैल्यू माइनस कर दें तो हमारे पास ओनली ऑन AP रह जाता है. दैट मीन्स E1 इज इक्वल टू, एंड E1 अलॉन्ग विद द डायरेक्शन ऑफ AP, जो E1 का डायरेक्शन रहेगा. अंडरस्टैंड प्लीज? E1 अलॉन्ग AP डायरेक्शन में. अंडरस्टैंड? वी कैन फाइंड इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. दैट मीन्स E1 इज इक्वल टू 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K into Q by R minus A to whole square. Now सिमिलरली द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ, अब हम इसी टाइप से भी हमने प्लस Q की वजह से इंटेंसिटी फाइंड की है. अंडरस्टैंड? अब इस माइनस Q चार्ज की वजह से इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हम लोग डिटरमाइन करते हैं. So similarly, the intensity of electric field at point P due to minus Q charge is given by E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K into Q by bp square that is directed along pb direction. Since bp is equal to, जो bp का वैल्यू है, you can see here please, bp इज एक b से p तक का डिस्टेंस जो होगा इस r एंड o, यू नो ob प्लस op, ये op से लेकर के ob तक का जो डिस्टेंस होगा आपका वही डिस्टेंस होगा यू नो r प्लस a, ये अंडरस्टैंड, ये आपका होगा कहाँ से कहाँ तक, pb डायरेक्शन पर, यू नो pb. तो bp इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा आपका op प्लस ob इज इक्वल टू bp इज इक्वल टू r प्लस a. दैट वी कैन सी E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k into Q by BP का जो वैल्यू है R plus A, that means we find R plus A to whole square. Equation number second find. Since E1 and E2, you can see here please, E1 and E2 are directed along the same action of line but directed to each other. मतलब ये E1 and E2 जो है तो इनका जो लाइन ऑफ एक्शन है ये सेम है, बट E1 का डायरेक्शन इस डायरेक्शन पर है और E2 जो है तो डायरेक्टेड अलोंग टू द PB. जो आपका E1 है डायरेक्टेड अलोंग टू AP एंड E2 डायरेक्टेड अलोंग टू PB. दैट मीन्स दे आर अपोजिट इन डायरेक्शन. दैट वी कैन फाइंड E इज इक्वल टू यू नो टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ऑफ बाय दिस डायपोल. जो टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी होगा इस डायपोल AB की वजह से ड्यू टू AB can be given by E is equal to E1 minus E2 because we find E1 is greater than E2. Definitely we clear that because E1, that means point P, is nearer to point charge plus Q and point P is far than according to A, that means B. जो पॉइंट P है वो B से ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पर है और प्लस Q चार्ज जो है B से पास डिस्टेंस पर नियरर है. दैट मीन्स E1 इज ग्रेटर देन E2. Therefore, to magnitude of E, not in vector form, that means magnitude of E is equal to E1 minus E2 and the final intensity of electric field is given by along to the AP direction, and we can find E is equal to from equation number first and equation number second. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k into Q by R minus A to whole square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q by R plus A to whole square. And we can find common as Q by 4 pi epsilon naught k, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught k common. And we have find in the whole bracket of 1 by R minus A to whole square minus 1 by R plus A to whole square is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught k, and we find LCM R minus A to whole square into R plus A to whole square, and that means divided by, that means R minus A to whole square is cancelled out, R minus A to whole square, and now multiply by this term R plus A to whole square, and we find R plus A to whole square minus similarly R minus A to whole square. Identity number first using in 8th class, a square plus b to whole square is equal to a square plus 2b square plus 2ab. That means we can find r square plus a square plus 2ra and minus r square minus a square plus 2ra, because r minus a to whole square is equal to r square plus a square minus 2ra, and by multiply by this minus we can find minus r square minus a square plus 2ra. Understand? And now m to power a and m to n to power b and m into n to whole power b, that means whole square m to power a and n to power b, that means m into n to whole power b. Understand? That means r plus a into r minus a and a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and q is 4ra to ra plus 2ra, that means 4ra, you know 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k into 2 into 4ra into q as written as 2 into 2qa into r by r square minus a square to whole square. And now we can find, that means E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k into 2pr by r square minus a square to whole square Newton per coulomb as a unit of electric field intensity. And the question arises in our mind, what comes out P? Where comes out P? That means P is equal to 2qa. 2qa electric dipole moment. You can see here, please. Here 2qa is equal to P, and that means we find finally E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k into 2pr by r square minus a square to whole square Newton per coulomb. Equation number 3. This is required expression for intensity of electric field where P is equal to 2qa. And for air or vacuum, the value of k is given by 1, and then equation number 3 can be written as E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into k is equal to 1. That means we have 2pr by r square minus a square to whole square Newton per coulomb. This is required expression for electric field intensity when the dielectric medium is constant, air or vacuum. Case number 1, important case, please remember it. If the dipole is very small in size, और या तो डायपोल बहुत छोटा हो या तो उसका जगह द डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट पी फ्रॉम डायपोल इज लार्ज, या तो आप मान लीजिए ये जो डायपोल दिख रहा है आप लोगों को डायपोल ए बी ये बहुत छोटा हो, या तो यदि ये छोटा नहीं है तो ये जो डिस्टेंस आप लोगों का दिख रहा है ये वाला डिस्टेंस आर इज वेरी लार्ज, दैट मीन्स आर इज greater than understand, r is greater than a, then that means a can be neglected. That means from equation number 3 we get E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k into 2pr by r square only, because a square neglected here, r square to whole square. That means we have E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k into 2pr by 2 2s are 4, that means r to the power 4 and r and 1 r here cancelled. That means we get E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k into 2p by r cube Newton per coulomb. Equation number 5. This is also required expression for intensity of electric field if k is equal to 1 for air or vacuum. Then equation number 5 can be written as E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k into 2p by r cube Newton per coulomb. That means equation number 3, 4, 5 and 6 shows the required expression of intensity of electric field in axial position due to a dipole. Understand? Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay.